What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Price Embassy FS. Welcome to Price Embassy FS. In today's video, I'm gonna be analyzing NZD card, NZD Canadian dollars. So it's all about multiple time frame analysis. It is all about technical analysis. It is all about market breakdown. It is all about top-down analysis. Whatever you do in the forex market, make sure you firstly analyze your chart. Listen, I took this trade as well. I took this trade, and before the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys the screenshot. I took this trade. I'm going to show you guys before and the after the market played out. Alright. So now if you are the type that understands or who understands the market structure, you would know that what you are looking on the chart right now is what we call a symmetrical triangle. Look at that white arrow. Look at the white arrow. The price put back. Can you see? Lower high, lower low, lower high, no, lower high and higher low, lower high and higher low. Symmetrical triangle contains or comes with or flows with lower highs, equal highs and equal lows. Okay, lower high and higher low, lower high and higher low. Symmetrical triangle contains equal highs, equal lower highs and equal higher lows. Okay, the price this is what we call symmetrical triangle. Okay, look at the green trend line are marked. The two green trend lines are marked. One is touching the lower highs and the other one is touching the higher lows. So this is what we call symmetrical triangle. Okay, lower high, higher low, lower high, then higher low. The price then came back to the previous zone. The previous zone, okay, that gave us two things, both the support and resistance. Resistance turned to support. Okay, so now this chart pattern contains two things. Wherever it breaks, if it is either it breaks above or it breaks to the other side. Okay, chart pattern is very important when it comes to when you do your analysis. Okay, now look at that black arrow. Look at the black arrow. Okay, look at the black arrow. That is exactly where I took my trade. Okay, I'm going to put the rectangle very well. I'm going to put it in place so that you guys would know exactly where it is. But looking at that black arrow, you know that something happened there. something that is very very important, or should I say fundamental. It could be very very there also, but let's say now let me go to my 4 hours. As you can see, we are on the daily time frame. Remember, this analysis contains three time frames. Okay, so now this is symmetrical pattern, symmetrical trend line. Okay, symmetrical trend line, symmetrical triangle. So now let me draw out the triangle itself. Look at the black lines. So this is the candlestick moving inside between the trend lines. It comes with lower highs and higher lows. As you can see, the pattern is visible well enough. So now we are on the daily time frame, right? We are on the daily time frame. The chart pattern could break wherever it wants to break. So don't be faster than your shadow. It can break wherever it wants to break. If it breaks above, you trade with it. If it breaks to the other side, the downside, then you go with it. Wait for the breakout, break and retest. So look at the black arrow now. Let me shift the rectangle. This is on the 4 hours time frame. Let me shift the rectangle. Okay, let me draw another one. This was where I took this trade. Let me draw the rectangle. Okay, I have drawn it. This is the rectangle. Let me change the color as well. Let me change the color now. No, let me change it to yellow. Yellow is nice, huh? Yellow is better. So as you can see, this was where I took the trade. Look at it. I'm trying to zoom it, keep it in a way that you would see it very 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 clear. So now the market, the price action, the structure was giving us a downtrend, was moving in downtrend, lower low, then it changed, lower high, then the first higher low, then this other higher high, then higher low. The price put back. Look at that yellow line. The price put back to that zone, to the yellow line zone, pulled back, gave us break and retest before it went long. That was exactly where I took my trade. I wait for break and retest. I wait for the price to come back to my zone. I don't just rush into a trade just because I want to make money, I go into a trade or into any trade firstly by analyzing and firstly by looking at the pure market structure. Wait for the market to be pure. Wait for the market to be pure. And then you jump into it. Remember, these time frames contains or yes, let's say the time frames are the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and also the 1-hour time frame. Like I said earlier in my previous video, I talked about chart pattern. Wait for your price to come back to your previous zone. When the price comes back to your previous zone, what do? Go to your lower time frame and start looking for chart pattern. When price comes to your previous zone, go to your lower time frame, to your intraday time frame. Both the buyers and the sellers, they will start competing, they will start struggling, they will start bidding price. The price will start accumulating. It's either it starts accumulating or it starts distributing. It can also reaccumulate, it can also redistribute. Two things, out of two things, one must happen. It's either the buyers win or the sellers wins. It's either the buyers win or the sellers win. Can you see the price broke and then retested? While it was busy retesting, it was busy consolidating. Both the buyers and the sellers were busy doing competition. They were busy bidding on price, bidding the price to see who wins. While they were busy bidding the price was busy also consolidating, going up and down. The price will be noisy at that moment because they have not actually been specific. They have not actually given us the direction. They are still busy doing competition. Why the price was busy doing competition, consolidation is happening. Consolidation was happening. They were busy doing competition. So the name of this chart pattern is what we call the falling wedge, bullish falling wedge, which means continuation chart pattern. Look at the black arrow I have marked, pointing at the name of the pattern. I call it the falling wedge. Like I said in my previous video. Okay, now let me draw the falling wedge. Let me draw it out using the black trend line. So one is facing the other side and the other one is facing the other side. So this chart pattern being called the falling wedge contains one trend line touches the lower high, then the other one touches the lows, the other one touches the lows, lower high and lower lows, lower high and lower lows before it breaks, before it will break. Wherever the chart pattern breaks, then you go with it, but avoid force breakout. Some people do not know when force breakout happens or when fake breakout happens. So it is giving us lower lows and lower highs. This, okay, it could break above, it could break below. Okay, just wait and be patient. Wait for the price. Look, listen, I took this trade and I'm going to show you guys my screenshot before and after the trade played out. I am going to show you guys the screenshot live. This is NZD card, right? And we are on the 4 hours. Remember, multiple time frame analysis is very important. Even if you're a scalper, you will also know what is happening on the high time frame. Remember, any time frame could be your high time frame. It is up to you. So you must have what we call trading plan and trading strategy. These two things, they are not the same. So, and by combining what we call, by combining multiple time frame, you just don't combine or go to your lower time frame or higher time frame anyhow. You need to put it in place by saying, okay, if I'm looking for my zones on the daily time frame, then where will be my intraday time frame? Where will be my entry time frame? These are the things you should know. Okay, the price was busy consolidating, giving us lower lows and lower highs. Both the buyers and the sellers, they were competing. Now listen, this is on the 30-minute time frame. The price broke the chart pattern. The price broke out of the trend line, out of the zone, out of the chart pattern, and then pulled back. Okay, pulled back. This was where I took the trade. I then targeted it to my higher time frame zone, to my higher time frame symmetrical triangle. Now look at it. This was my first screenshot when the market had not played out or has not played out. I took the screenshot. This is it, the screenshot, right? This is the screenshot, and look at the time. Look at the time. I took this trade. Look at the TP, look at the entry time zone, and look at the stop loss. Okay, this was after the market played out. On this channel, we give you the best. This is Price Embassy Forex, giving our lives a meaning. Like I said, I took this trade. If you look at my thumbnail, you will see I also included the trade I took on this pair. I made a little bit of money. I went out of the trade. Okay, I didn't wait for the market to hit my TP. I went out of the trade. Did I leave the trade running or did I put an end to it? But what I am telling you is that I took this trade and I took the screenshot when the market was playing out, and that's it. The strategy is this: go to your high time frame, mark your zones, then go and then just watch it. Watch the market come back to those zones, to your zones. Once the price has gotten or has reached those zones, what you will do next is this: go to your lower time frame and then look at the chart. Look closely so that you will see what the market is doing. Wait for chart pattern to form, wait for it to break, and then boom, take your trade. Alright, once again, this is Price Embassy Forex. I'm a Nigerian forex trader. This is Price Embassy, giving our lives a meaning. Multiple time frames are very, very important. Top-down analysis is very, very important. Okay, go to your YouTube channel, search for Price Embassy Forex, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, like the video, comment if you have questions to ask. If you're bold enough to ask, and I'll be willing enough to answer you. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video so that YouTube will also know that the video is doing pretty well. Share this video if you like the video, and I know you like the video. Share this video, subscribe, and comment. Most of all, the most important thing is this: once you have subscribed, make sure you click on that bell notification icon. Click on the bell notification icon and enable it to all notification so that you will be the first to be notified when I post forex videos like this. Click on the bell icon and click on all. Click on all so that you will be notified when I post forex videos like this.